To adjust the date and time settings on the Poco X7, first we need to open a settings on our device. Then we can scroll down looking for additional settings, which should be all the way on the bottom. Then there's the date and time. You can open it like that, and then we can see all of these settings. First one is set time automatically. If you turn off this option, you can adjust date and time manually by clicking on each of them. I prefer to set it to automatically to basically save myself from any network issues, and I recommend you to do the same thing. Then there's the set time zone automatically. If you disable it, then you can again pick manually through the time zones available, and also recommend to put both of the options on. The second one will use your location to automatically set that time zone correctly. Then there's the time format that you can switch between 12 hours, 24 hours, or auto mode. And if you say auto, it will adjust the time format based on your language. Then there's the dual clock. If you activate it, then you will see two different clocks each time you check the clock, and you can change the region for the second clock right here. And that is basically everything.